how to cook a perfect brown rice. Many people choose brown rice over white rice these days for the simple reason that the white rice has three things been removed: the fibrous grain, nutritious germ, and the endosperm. With those three elements still intact in the brown rice, it takes a little bit longer to cook. If you're willing to invest in equipment that can be helpful for a long time, which I do have, the electric rice cooker, then you don't have any worries because it comes with a guide and the instruction of how you can cook beautiful rice. Now, the other ways to do it, of course, is going to be on the stove top. First, prepare a big pot and allow 6 cups of water to 1 cup of brown rice. Remember to rinse the brown rice first and add it to the boiling water. Cook for 30 minutes uncovered. After 30 minutes, you will get really nice cooked, beautiful brown rice. Drain it and then put the brown rice straight back into the hot pot. Cover it for about 10 minutes, and at the end you get really beautiful, fluffy, well cooked brown rice, and still maintains that beautiful nutrients in it. You can also cook the brown rice in a smaller saucepan with 2 cups of water to 1 cup of brown rice, probably about 25 to 30 minutes, and it should be ready for you. So what is the brown rice good for? You can have it with curry. You can also make fried rice with brown rice and add plenty of vegetable to it. Or you can use brown rice to make this beautiful Italian dish called arancini if you're still having cheese. So you will put a mozzarella cheese in the center of the rice bowl and coat it with breadcrumbs and fry them or oven bake them. How about using brown rice and black beans and some really nice veggies and make beautiful patty for your burger? Brown rice is also very good as a thickener in your soup. A good way to build a breakfast in the nut drink using almond, cashew, black and white sesame seeds, and some medjool dates. I have that recipe published in my Instagram, also my Facebook page called Vegetarian Beginners. If you're interested, please go over there and download the recipe. That's the really basic and easy way to use brown rice in your eating plan. So comment below to tell me how you actually use it, or do you have any more ideas about incorporating the brown rice in your eating? Until then, be well, be happy.